Okay guys, so this is Mamak. This is the area where I came to meet my friends. Actually, it's a very good area. I like it. It's quite beautiful compared to others I've been to. And they have Beam, they have A101 just beside them, and they even have Shop, the three common grocery stores in Turkey. So if you have an apartment rented here, you are really enjoying, because you have everything close to you. There's a mosque here, there's another mosque somewhere down there, I can't remember. Firin, a place where they bake bread. Man, if you're living here, you'll be lucky. So this is Mamak.
As a Turkiye Burslari student, after completing your 1-year Turkish course, you have the option of moving to an apartment or you keep staying in the dormitory. If you decide to move to an apartment, Turkiye Burslari will start paying you some extra money for rent, electricity, water. Currently, it is about 550 Lira. Yeah, so currently I'm in my friend's house and I wanted to show you guys what the house is like and how much they pay. I'm also going to be asking him some questions, how much it costs them to buy the furnitures and everything they need in the house, fridge, cooking set, washing machine, and so on and so forth. This is a 3+1 house. 3 rooms, 1 sitting room, 1 kitchen, and there is a big balcony, right?
Yeah.
Initially, when you got the house, there were no furnitures and nothing was inside, right?
Yes.
The only thing you meet in the house is what?
Nothing. Some houses they will have cooker.
Okay, some houses will have cooker.
Only when the house is a chassis. When the house
there's a chassis and there's a chalet. Okay.
So when the house is a chassis,
okay.
the only thing that you may find, is cooker.
It's cooker. Okay.
But if it's not, if it is a chalet, you will find even furniture in the house. You will find the bed, everything. Maybe the chair.
Okay. So, for example, for you, for your room, how much did it cost you to buy everything in your room? Chair is 100 Lira.
100 Lira.
Table is 100 Lira.
This one is 100 Lira. Also.
This carpet is 100 Lira. The bed.
Together with the mattress.
Okay, the bed together with the mattress is how much?
250.
250. I mean, with the pillow too, right?
Yes.
Okay, 250. Then what about the cupboard? 500 Lira. Wow. So this cupboard is 500 Lira.
Yes. 100.
500 Lira. The period, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the curtain. 100
This
Lira.
one 50 Lira.
That's 150 Lira.
Yeah.
Wow. That's 1,200. Only the chair and the curtain new. So the others are Ikinji air. Mashallah. You really manage money. Barakallahu fi. Once you come in this way, the house has a toilet here. Yeah, there's a toilet here. Yeah, it's tight. Yeah, so that's the toilet, and here you have another toilet. Yeah. And then this is the first room. This is another room. I think this is the biggest room. This is another room. And this is the sitting room. And this is 1, 2, 3. This is the last room. So it's 3+1. It's the 3+1 now. And here, this is the kitchen. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. Yeah. So that's basically it. So you guys pay how much for rent?
1,000 Lira.
The house costs 1,000 Lira. Yeah. So 1,000 Lira for rent every month, and
but including all other expenses. The water,
Okay.
electricity, everything.
Adding money for water, for electricity, for gas, and other things.
Another thing, another expense. Every student will have to pay 500 lira per month.
So if every student pays 500 lira,
It is going to be
that's about 2,000 lira. It's going to be about 2,000 lira in total.
2,000 lira in total.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So that is an approximate of how much is spent per month.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Sheikh Mursal.
Actually, a very nice apartment.
The house is 1+1, but thanks to the furniture, they are comfortable. You can have a sofa which looks like a bed. You can turn it into a bed, and you can have a comfortable nap at night. So it's 1+1, but you can be living with a friend comfortably, and you can enjoy the house. The house was Asian since it was not furnished the time I bought it. So I had to purchase everything in the house. The total price was like 11,000 tele. Every tiny little detail you find in this house, I think the total is 11,000 tele. Now the rent is 1,300 tele. Compared to the quality of life you're gonna have in this house, that is pretty affordable for the great city like Ankara. So no regret for that price. Now the price for water, for example, in this residence, there's hot and cold water. The hot water and natural gas comes along with the idati, so the service fee. So I pay the total of 230 tele every month for them. And cold water, where you are paying to the government directly, is normally 17 tele. It has never crossed 17 tele since I moved into this house. Well, electricity is expensive, and also depends on how you are using for example, oven takes a lot of electricity, but at maximum consumption you'll never cross 240 tele. That's the price for electricity. What I have to say is, like, I'm trying to live like I'm staying at home. I don't take care of little details to save money. That's why my price might be a little bit inflated. But for someone else, maybe these prices can be even cheaper.